If you're new here, my name is Steph and welcome to my channel. If you're returning, Bestie, hey girl, hey. So it is New Year's Eve and I got reservations for dinner and I wanted to show you guys a full get ready me routine for makeup, glam, and outfit. So if you want to see how I created this full look, stay tuned.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the...
Okay, y'all, so we're going to get right into this beat. I'm going to go in first with my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow wigs in the color deep brown. And I'm going to take my angle brush and I'm going to get these eyebrows. And a full disclaimer, I am not a makeup artist, but I can be my face. I already have went in and added my lashes, and y'all, I'm mad nobody told me in my last video that my lashes was crooked and I was giving like cross-eyed look. But I've been watching me some YouTube videos and I finally got my lashes together, so I just went in with them. I will have where I got these lashes from linked in the description box below, as well as all products that I will be using in this video. When I do my brows, I don't like to use a lot of products, so when I use that product, I use a fair amount. I just like to fill in my brows. I already kind of have like angle brows already. I just like to give them a little bit of shape, and you know, we're gonna go in with the brush and just fill them in, and yeah. Next, we're going to go in with that NARS concealer, and the color that I use is Caramel, and I'm going to use a smaller brush and I'm going to clean up my brows. So I'm just going to go across the top and across the bottom. And when I go across the top and the bottom, I'm then going to take that same brush and I'm just going to brush it in and just clean up the brows just to give that perfect look.
They just wanna fuck with you, cause they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight.
Don't let it go, let it go.
So normally I am a Fenty girl, but it is the winter time and I haven't been liking how Fenty been doing me. So today I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color 365, and I'm just going to take a mild amount and put it across my face. I love how in the winter time it's not cakey. It's giving me that perfect blend that I need. I don't want it to look, you know, like I have a bunch of makeup on. I want it to give like that flawless, filterless look.
And take a chance with her, she could be everything you wanted, boy. Don't let the
whoa. Yeah. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down. We took a trip, now we on your...
Now I'm going to go back in with that NARS concealer again in the color Caramel, and I'm going to put a little bit under my eyes. Not too much, like the trees, the triangles, or whatever they used to do. I'm just going to put a little bit, and then we're going to take another brush. I'm not a fan of the Beauty Blender. I like this type of brush because I like how smoother it goes across the face, and it gives that filterless look as well. Smudge Stick Trio set in the color Suede and Espresso, and I'm gonna add the Espresso like around my contour line from my jawline, and then I'm gonna add the Suede a little bit under that, and then I'm gonna take a small little brush, and then I'm gonna go around, and I'm gonna fill that in real smooth, not too harsh brush strokes, but like soft ones, and also go across my forehead, and I'm gonna contour my face. MERCIER translucent powder in medium deep, and we're going to bake that highlight under our eyes. And then we're also going to go in with the Sephora bronzer in the color 06 Ibiza, and then we're going to set that contour on our jawline as well as our forehead. And then we're also going to take that translucent powder and go under our contour line and set that as well. I like to bake for at least like 3 to 5 minutes, not too long, but enough time where it's like, you know, it's set. I mean, y'all, SZA's new album been having me in a chokehold. So now we are done baking, so we're gonna take a nice fan brush and fan all the excess powder off. And
symphony, just to say how much you mean to me. What would you do if I told you you were beautiful? Would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart.
And then following that, I like to go in with the Sephora Micro Spoof Powder in the color Toffee. And then I like to go across my face and just smooth out all those harsh lines from the baking and the highlight and just bring our face together.
I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love.
Just started using this, but now I'm gonna go ahead with the Sephora setting spray, and I'm gonna dry my face and set my face because I need this to last all night. I'm gonna go in with our highlight, and the highlight that I'll be using is the Fenty Beauty, and the color will be Afternoon Snack. And then we're gonna add that right above our contour. So onto lips, I like to use a nice brown pencil, and the one I'll be using today is NYX Cold Brew. I did have a dark brown one, but I don't know where it went. But this one does what it needs to do as well. And then I like to line my lips and like to give like a little decent effect, because as y'all see, I don't have big lips, so they give my lips like a little plump effect. And then I like to add like a little nude to it, and I go in with the Dose of color, and the color I'll be using is Catching Feelings, and I just add like a little dot and just blend that in.
Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart, and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see
a sew-in, and this is 3 bundles of 30 inches from my friend at The Best Way. If you guys want to purchase this hair, it is in my description box below. So I curled my hair a few days ago, and the way I wrap my hair, my curls stay, so I didn't have to do much to my curls, but just brush them out. And then I'm just gonna fix my leave out a little bit and just give it that, you know, like it has like a little bang effect, little, you know, little whoosh in the front, so it's just moving for the bros.
see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, when you make it my lady. Girl, you amaze me, and girl, I do.
She is B and she is looking fire. Look like filter, but no filter, but smooth, but she cute. So now y'all, let's get into this outfit. So I just got this dress from FASHIONNOVA. It will be linked in the description box below, and I love how cute it is. Yeah, I'm trying to get into this titty tape, boob tape, and y'all should see how it is under this dress. I am trying to get into it. It's working for now, and I feel like I'm gonna get through dinner and everything like that, but if I start perspiring, it's gonna be something else. For this video, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as well as I did making it. Let me know in the comments what you guys like or any other makeup tips you guys have for me, and I will see you guys in the new year. Bye.